The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is an upcoming action camera that has not yet been officially announced, but it is already generating strong interest based on leaks, market trends, and industry discussions. It is expected to succeed the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which was announced in October 2024 and gained attention for its 8K video recording and Leica co-engineered lens that delivered accurate colors and high image quality. With the Ace Pro 2 still performing well in the market, Insta360 appears to be taking a careful and strategic approach with its next release. Originally, the Ace Pro 3 was expected to launch between October and November 2025, following Insta360's usual product cycle. However, recent signs suggest a delay, with the new expected release window shifting to the first half of 2026. Most predictions now point to a launch sometime between the second and third quarters of 2026. One major reason for this delay is Insta360's decision to extend the life of the Ace Pro 2. In late 2025, the company released a Super Motocross edition and introduced new videography-focused bundles, showing a clear focus on accessories and special editions rather than rushing out a replacement model. Market competition also plays an important role in this timing. DJI launched the Osmo Action 6 in November 2025 with a large 1/1.1-inch square sensor and a variable f/2.0 to f/4.0 aperture. Despite having an 8K capable sensor, DJI limited the camera to 4K recording, likely saving true 8K video for a future Pro version. At the moment, no major brand offers a true 8K action camera. Products like the GoPro Max 2 and Osmo 360 are excluded from this comparison because they are 360-degree cameras, not traditional action cameras. This lack of direct competition allows Insta360 to wait and avoid hurting Ace Pro 2 sales by launching the Ace Pro 3 too early. If released, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is rumored to be priced between $549 and $599, which is noticeably higher than the Ace Pro 2's launch price of $399. This higher price would likely be justified by major upgrades in sensor size, video quality, and AI features. At the same time, the Ace Pro 2 has seen price drops to around $354, making it a very attractive option for users who do not need the latest technology. The partnership between Insta360 and Leica is expected to continue with the Ace Pro 3. The collaboration, which began in 2020 and was officially renewed in March 2025, suggests that Leica will again help fine-tune the optics and color science. Rumored specifications include a 1-inch, 50-megapixel Leica-tuned CMOS sensor, 8K video at 30 frames per second with HDR or log, 4K at 120 frames per second in 10-bit color, and high-speed 1080p slow motion. Other expected features include improved flow state stabilization, advanced AI tools, long battery life, fast charging, strong waterproofing, upgraded audio, and a rugged modular design. If these rumors prove true, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 could set a new standard for premium action cameras.
Every once in a while, a product drops that instantly hijacks your social feed. Not because it's overhyped, but because your brain can't process what it's seeing. That's exactly what happened with the anti-gravity one. The moment people saw its footage, the reaction was the same everywhere. Wait, how is this even possible? And for the first time in years, the most talked about drone on the internet isn't coming from DJI. The One is the world's first flying camera built entirely around an 8K 360-degree capture system, and that single design choice changes everything. Instead of flying a drone and worrying about framing, angles, or the direction the camera is facing, the One lets you forget all of that. You just fly. The drone captures everything around it, and later, during editing, you simply pick the angle you want.
Forward, backward, downward, sideways, even toward yourself. No more missed moments because you tilted the camera wrong. This freedom is why so many creators call the One a cheat code. A new category that feels shockingly free. What makes the One exciting isn't just its specs, although 8K 360 footage with multiple export formats is undeniably impressive. Its real appeal is emotional. Pilots describe the feeling as liberating, like exploring rather than operating a machine. Beginners love that the drone corrects itself and stays incredibly stable, while FPV pilots are baffled that the One can deliver FPV-style visuals without requiring FPV skills at all. Even travel vloggers are obsessed because a single flight gives them both horizontal and vertical shots, perfectly framed in editing. Online reactions show genuine surprise that such a tiny drone can create footage that feels so fresh and so different. It's almost like the industry has stumbled into a new era where presence matters more than piloting precision. The One isn't replacing traditional drones. It simply opens a door to a completely new way of capturing memories, adventures, and unpredictable moments like cycling, pets, or fast-moving action. DJI is watching and getting ready to strike back. Of course, once something goes viral, DJI notices. Leaks already confirm that the DJI Avata 360 is on the way, which tells you everything you need to know about how serious this new category is becoming. Interestingly, the two drones seem to come from opposite philosophies. The One is essentially a 360 camera that happens to fly. The Avata 360 appears to be an FPV drone that adds 360 capability. That difference alone means the One will feel calmer, smoother, and more automatic, while DJI's version will likely be faster and more manual. The One also has clever design touches, like retractable landing gear that keeps the camera's full 360-degree view unobstructed in the air. But it's not perfect. Battery life is average, especially compared to DJI's mini lineup, and 8K 360 footage demands heavy processing that requires a powerful computer. Stitching can produce minor imperfections on water, trees, or close objects. People who want flawless, cinematic, shallow depth of field shots straight out of the camera will still prefer DJI. A generational shift in drone filmmaking. Still, it's hard to deny that the One feels like the beginning of something big, a generational shift toward drones that prioritize creativity over control. For creators who want freedom instead of settings, travelers who want all angles, and beginners who just want amazing footage without stress, the One is almost unbeatable. And now, with DJI preparing its answer, the competition is about to get very real. If the Avata 360 can match the One's freedom while delivering DJI's legendary stability, the entire drone landscape could transform faster than anyone expected. For now, though, the anti-gravity One stands as the most exciting drone release in years, a flying camera that challenges everything we thought drones were supposed to be. If you love creative freedom, zero stress, and choosing your angles after the flight, the One is already the perfect fit. But if you prefer speed, control, and classic FPV energy, waiting for the Avata 360 might be smarter. Two different visions. One choice depends entirely on your style.